Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support here. In this video I'm going to show you the collapse close cards of the Agile plugin feature. Alright, so a few words before showing the feature itself. So firstly, I would like to let you know that the issue statuses have some property that is called closed issue. So I'm going to show you to you first to see what is the thing about. Okay, so when you go to issue statuses of Redmine, you will see that some of them are clicked as issue closed. So this means that these statuses are only about closed cases and closed issues. So yeah, in our case we have 5 statuses. There are new, in progress, resolved, and now the closed ones are closed and rejected. Okay, so this feature of the Agile is about the closed issue closed statuses. Alright, so let's go to the Agile board. Okay, we see that on our board now we have new, in progress, and resolved columns or issue statuses. It is the same. The Agile board columns and issue statuses is the same thing. Okay, so now we have to expand the options and enable the 2 more columns that are closed and rejected, the ones that we were checking before. Okay, so when we see these closed issues, they are gray. So they are in gray colors. This means that they are with the property issue closed, and they are closed in general. They are finished and closed. Okay, so the feature of the Agile for collapse closed cards is about showing them not as cards but as just IDs and small squares and rectangles. So okay, let's go and enable the feature to see how it works. So we have to go to administration, that is located at the top right corner, and then go to Agile, and here you will see hide closed issues data. So please enable this and apply the changes. So when we return back to our Agile board and refresh it, we are going to see how this feature actually works. So this is it. Now the cards are just collapsed. They are small rectangles with the issue ID only. So this is actually when there are a lot of tickets and a lot of cases. So this is sparing space, a lot of space. So we see these tickets are now located here, but when they are expanded, they are here, here, and here. Okay, so there is one more functionality that I want to show you. So when these tickets are in this view, you could also see what are they about. So you could do it via just hovering the mouse over the ticket. So you see, when I hover it, I see that this ticket is about to-do list, the project name, the status, the start date, due date, assignee, priority. Okay, so when I hover to some other, it also shows it is a PDF export, it is status rejected, project name, assignee, priority. Okay, so this was the feature of collapse closed cards. I hope this feature is going to be helpful for you, and also I hope this video demonstration and tutorial was good for you too. So if you like it, you could check other videos and articles of RedmineUP on our site or our YouTube channel. If you like it, you can also subscribe to our channel or like the video too. Thank you very much for watching this video, and bye bye for now.